Welcome to Emerging India Housing Corporation. Young and dynamic, Emerging India Housing Corporation has gained unprecedented heights within the first year of inception. A sister concern of Emerging India Infra and Developers, the company has over 70 offices across North India and a workforce of over 600 committed professionals. Within 2 years of its launch, the company has the distinction of having completed 7 prestigious projects. Emerging Heights 1 at Kharar Mohali Road, Emerging Heights 2 at Pir Mushalla, Zirakpur, and Emerging Heights 3 at Kharar Landra Road, Sector 115, Greater Mohali. Woodsmoke Villas, Nayagaon, Malauth City Centre, Abohar Malauth Bhatinda Highway, Emerging Valley, Kharar Banur Highway, schools and colleges. It now plans to develop residential, commercial and social establishments across Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan.
Hi, I am Prashant Sharma, Director of Emerging India. I have seen Emerging India grow from one to many, from one branch to 71 branches, successfully running in all across the region. It really seems a dream come true, but only chosen ones are blessed to live their dreams.
Customer certainty or a focus on delivering the highest quality for its customers is one of the core values that lies at the foundation of Emerging India Housing Corporation. It thinks like a customer, for a customer, and owing to this, puts sizable emphasis on the relationship between ecology and sustainability. The company strongly believes in creating an empowered team. Every team member, right from the customer service executive, is provided with direct information, empowered, authority and training, combined with a quantifiable reward system.
Hi, I am Harminder Singh, Director of Emerging India Group. With the most engaged and empowered workforce and boundless innovation that help us attaining the highest degree of customer trust. We can only accomplish this by growing the support and respect of our colleague, employees, customer, business owners and partners, our suppliers and communities at large. I hope in this financial year, Emerging India will touch remarkable heights.
This not only leads to a highly motivated, dependable and trustworthy workforce, but also translates into high levels of customer satisfaction.
Hi, I am Gurpreet Singh Sidhu, MD Emerging India. I am responsible for the development of this organization as a one team that manages everything from development, construction, operations, marketing and sales on its own, where people are left baffled as where to invest rightly because they don't get proper guidance and it lands them into deep crisis. So Emerging India not only came with financial services by providing profitable investments plans, which is a major hit among all the rural as well as urban people. Because of the lucrative rate of returns in the market, a record 5 mega real estate projects at different locations across Punjab in its kitty in just 1 year.
Emerging India Housing Corporation has a clear vision and the confidence in its ability to create value for customers and believes that this is the only way to create true worth and the path for sustainable growth. Emerging India Housing Corporation, the new name in ethical, environmentally responsible housing.
With the right kind of people, at right place and the right thinking, there's nothing that cannot be achieved.